Hello students, this is Mahima Gupta and today we will study about test paper 1. We will discuss the questions, answers of test paper 1. Okay, class 4th, general knowledge, test paper 1. The first slide, we have to fill the blanks. So the first point is, this Indian tree is spreads by growing trunk-like roots from its branches. One more hint is there. The national tree of India. So the answer of this question is banyan, the great banyan tree. Okay, so this is the tree which spreads by growing trunk-like roots from its branches. So the answer is banyan tree. Next one is, the bark of this tree is used to make the drug quinine with which doctors treat malaria. The disease called malaria is treated with the help of a drug called quinine, and the plant from which we get this drug is cinchona. Okay, this is the name of that particular tree. The bark of this tree is used to make the drug quinine with which doctor treat malaria. Okay, cinchona. Then next one, dash is one of the largest snakes in the world. It is found in South America. The name of this snake is anaconda. Okay, anaconda is one of the largest snakes in the world. It is mainly found in South America. Next question. Dash is a large flightless ostrich-like bird found in Australia. So the answer of this question is emu. E-M-U. Emu. Okay. Emu is a large flightless ostrich-like bird found in Australia. Now, our next slide. Here, we have to tick the correct option from the given options. So, first one is, India got freedom in. Three options are there: 1947, 1946, and 1948. So, the answer of this question is 1947. India got freedom in 1947. Okay. Next one is, which German designer designed the first car with a petrol engine in 1888? Which German designer designed the first car with a petrol engine in 1888? Answer of this question is Carl Benz. Okay, Carl Benz. Which German designer designed the first car with a petrol engine in 1888? Carl Benz. Now next one. The Delhi Metro Rail Corporation became the first railway network in the world to be registered by the UN under the Clean Developed Mechanism in, the answer is 2008. In 2008, Delhi Metro Rail Corporation became the first railway network in the world to be registered by the UN under the Clean Developed Mechanism. So the year is 2008. Next one, Kavita is the only child of Amar's grandfather. Okay, Kavita is the only child of Amar's grandfather. Means Amar's grandfather is Kavita's father. Okay, so we have to answer the question. Amar is Kavita's son. Okay, Amar is Kavita's son. Next one, introducing Priya, Rakesh said, her husband is my father's only son. So how is Rakesh related to Priya? The answer of this question is husband. Rakesh is Priya's husband. Okay. Next one. Answer the following questions. We have to simply give the answer of the questions in one word. So the first question is, which is the largest desert in India? The largest desert in India is Thar. Okay. Thar desert, which is found in Rajasthan. Okay. And it is the largest desert in India. Okay. The largest desert of world is Sahara. Okay. Sahara is the largest desert of world. But the largest desert of India is Thar. Now next one. Which language is spoken in Goa? Okay, which language is spoken in Goa? So the answer is Konkani. Okay, Konkani. This language is spoken in Goa. The last one. In which field Rabindranath Tagore received the Nobel Prize? In which field Rabindranath Tagore received the Nobel Prize? So the answer of this question is literature. Rabindranath Tagore received the Nobel Prize in literature for Gitanjali, for his work Gitanjali. Okay, so these are the answer of the questions. So to complete these blanks, this exercise in your book, in your test paper 1. Okay, thank you.